Okay, we'll just load it up, I guess. It looks all curly, all kind of stuff like that. Everything's loaded up and ready to go. This one should have been up there ages ago. So I'm gonna have to move it up here, and this one could stay here, and that one is up there. That one's up there. Okay, all like that, ready to go. Then grab a light. And detergent what we're going to be using is, what shall we use? First cotton, maybe Fairy. This was a cotton for this one, and I was going to use Finish with Sean 8, I guess. Just gonna bring this bit here. I'm gonna put this in here. There you go. Pull it in. And gonna put that in here instantly. Okay, now we can close it up. And okay, looks like we're in, ready to go. And yeah, catch you later in a bit.